Here's an old-fashioned bed turning of projects I finished in January 2025. The first is a string piece quilt that I pieced together a panel for the backing, but I didn't figure quite right and I placed it a sideways orientation instead of the right way. Next is a quilt made from Grandma's pantsuits. This is a floral upholstery type fabric that I combined with pants and slacks, custom quilted, along with that pieced back to make my grunge fabric go a little farther. Next is a Carrie Nation little lap quilt that the blocks started out as a class. The students who made the blocks chose to assemble them for a charity quilt. This is Dina from a pattern from GE Quilt Designs. I did that as a sample showing the back in a previous video. And here is Quinn, a GE Quilt Designs pattern from the Saddle Ranch bundle. I did not finish quilting the Winnie quilt, but here's a sneak peek of that. Congratulations and thanks for making it to the end of the video. Now, it's time for me to encourage you. Get in your sewing room and be creative. Till next time.